Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL 25-gram clear pack of 1. This product is a game changer when it comes to DIY projects and repairs around the house. Let's talk about the gel formula. This is no-run control gel formula that is great for use on vertical surfaces. It's perfect for those hard-to-reach spots and ensures a precise application every time. The anti-clog cap is a total lifesaver. It helps keep the glue from drying out, so you can count on it being Gorilla Tough use after use. Now, let's talk about the impact toughness. This formula is specially designed for increased impact resistance and strength. You can trust that your projects will withstand the test of time. And the best part? This glue is fast-setting. It dries in 10-45 seconds, with no clamping required. It's a real time saver, especially for those quick fixes. Not to mention, this product is incredibly versatile. It bonds plastic, wood, metal, ceramic, rubber, leather, paper, and more. It's the all-in-one solution for all your bonding needs. But don't just take my word for it, the proof is in the performance. And with a service temperature ranging from 65 to 220 F, you can trust that this glue will hold up in a variety of conditions. So, if you're ready to take your DIY game to the next level, be sure to grab the Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL 25-gram clear pack of 1 using the link in the description below. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.